Every time you click a link inside a social media app or a text message, you might be walking blindfolded into a trap. Hackers absolutely love one specific default setting on your Android phone because it completely bypasses your main web security. Today, we are shutting the back door. I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off this dangerous setting in under 60 seconds. Plus, a bonus trick to permanently stop Google and Gemini from tracking you in the background. Grab your phone and let's lock it down. First, let's patch the vulnerability. Open up your main settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, find and tap on Choose Default Apps. Now, look toward the bottom of this list and select Opening Links. This is the blind spot. You will see an option here that says Open Links in Apps. Turn this off immediately. Here is why this is so critical. When you click a link and it opens inside the app you are currently using, you cannot see the actual URL. Scammers use this hidden environment to load fake login screens or run malicious background scripts, and you have no idea it's a fake site. By turning off this setting, you force your phone to route every single link to a dedicated, secure browser like Chrome, Brave, or Opera. In a real browser, you can verify the web address with your own eyes, and the browser's built-in security can actually block fraudulent scripts before they execute. Never trust an in-app browser. Since you are already in the security mindset, let's go one step further and kill background tracking. A lot of people have been asking how to completely disable the new Gemini AI or the classic Google Assistant from constantly running and listening in the background. It takes 5 seconds. Hit the back button to return to the default apps menu. Tap on the Digital Assistant app. Right now, it is likely set to Google. Click on that and change the selection to None. And just like that, you have completely severed the Assistant's background access. It will no longer run silently, and your device just became significantly more private. Now that your phone's security is locked down and you've stopped those background assistants from tracking you, it is time to stop your device from bleeding battery life. The default settings inside the YouTube app are silently burning through your monthly data plan and killing your battery way before lunch. Click the video on your screen right now, and I will show you exactly how to stop YouTube from draining your data and your battery in under 60 seconds. Go click that video right now to finish optimizing your phone, and I'll see you over there.